white wine spritzer on Smokin' and Drinkin'. Hey, welcome back to Smokin' and Drinkin'. I'm Mike, and today we're going to do something a little different. We are going to make a white wine spritzer. If you're ever wondering what to do with your wine, if you don't, it's a hot summer day and you want to make a cocktail or something like that, and you got a bottle of white wine, make a spritzer. We're going to be heading out to the lake tomorrow, so we're gonna make a pitcher of white wine spritzers. So let's go ahead and get started. We have a bottle of Riesling that I made, it was a year ago, actually coming up right on a year ago. And we have our seltzer water, and we have a bottle of Malibu rum. It's white rum with coconut. And we have a cup of cubed fresh pineapple, a cup of green grapes. These are frozen, by the way. That'll help chill it down. And that's it, really. So let's get started. We'll open the Riesling and we'll get going here. All right, got our Riesling. You can use any white wine. I'm just using the Riesling. It's the whole bottle. That smells good. And we're going to add a quarter cup of the rum. My measuring cup is filled with grapes, so we're going to add the grapes. Just add them right into the... You can slice them if you want. Some of those are sliced already before we froze them. So and let's go ahead and add the cup of fresh cubed pineapple as well. Might as well get all the fruit in there. Okay. Then we're going to put a quarter cup of rum. Quarter cup of rum. And that's really it. You want to add your seltzer water to the glass. We're going to refrigerate this for about an hour, and we'll check back in, and we'll pour us a glass and add our seltzer, quarter cup of seltzer. Actually, we just fill 3/4 of a glass, and then you top it off with seltzer. That gives it that sparkling effect to it. We'll be back in an hour after we've chilled our spritzer. All right, we've had our white wine spritzer chilling in the refrigerator for an hour. Actually, it's a little longer. I kind of got busy. But let's go ahead and pour us a glass. I'm going to fill your glass about 3/4 of the way full. And then you're going to top it off with the seltzer water. Any seltzer will do. Give it that sparkling effect. Just top it up with seltzer. And then garnish with your grape and pineapples. Need a longer toothpick. That one kind of sunk all the way to the bottom. That's a nice sparkling wine spritzer, chilled. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. Oh, that's nice. Nice. The Riesling kind of adds to that sweetness. The Riesling's a little sweet, and of course the pineapple and the rum. That makes a nice a nice cocktail. So when you're out at the lake or at the beach or sitting out on the deck, you can enjoy a nice wine spritzer. Take some of those bottles of wine we've made and make you a wine spritzer. So that's about it. Pretty quick and easy. Once again, thanks for tuning in to Smoking and Drinking. Remember to like and subscribe, and Prost!